better than the dolphin cruise.
You guys missed it. He took the remora and he stuck it to his arm. He stuck the remora into his arm.
Yeah, but we're watching dolphins.